Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving a copy and selecting exactly the formula cells you want to convert. Once selected, you decide if you need all values preserved or only a subset. This choice affects which menu you use next. Make sure to avoid whole sheet operations if you only mean to change a range, because reversing is manual. Now copy the selection to the clipboard, Ctrl+C, to stage those computed values for replacement. This prepares Excel to paste static results over live formulas. Next, immediately paste as values to stop Excel from recalculating those formulas. After copying, use Paste Special and choose Values. This removes the leading equals sign and leaves static results. If you prefer keyboard speed, press Ctrl+Alt+V, then V and Enter. That does the same thing without mouse clicks. Once done, inspect a few converted cells to confirm they are numbers or text instead of formulas. This check prevents accidental loss when formulas referenced other sheets, or finally, save your file and consider save as to keep an original with formulas intact. If you discover that linked or dependent calculations broke, undo immediately or reopen the copy you saved earlier and reapply a more targeted conversion. Make sure to relink any external data sources if values now appear stale. Sometimes you must restore formulas from the backup and convert only safe ranges. If things go wrong, undo works only until you close, so keep that backup copy until verification is complete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.